Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back to us and to Intel Bytes once again. And today we have great privilege that our class topper, third rank holder Anupriya Bhattacharya is with us. And today she will share her experience, her knowledge, her efforts with us. At first, let me congrats her. A very congrats Anupriya for your success.
Thank you, Chandan.
Now she will share her experience and give some advice to her juniors how to get success in BDS professional course. Now Anupriya, you can start.
Hi, Chandan. I'm from Assam. I have done my schooling from Holy Cross School, Silchar, and I was born and brought up in Assam only, and now I study in second year BDS in Kalinga Institute of Dental Science. And yeah, thank you for inviting me today.
Yeah, what was your feeling when you heard that you got third rank in your first BDS professional course in our college?
Honestly, I was shocked and thrilled at the same time. I was very surprised. Although I was 50% sure that I will, maybe I can, but I was not sure 100%. But I was very thrilled that I got a position and could make my parents proud.
Okay. Okay. Now Anupriya, can you please share your daily schedule that juniors can follow and make a good result? Daily schedule in first year, which you follow.
When there was offline classes and I was to live in hostel, I made sure that at least 1 hour I study whatever subject I liked. At that time, honestly, I used to study most of the time anatomy, because according to me, anatomy is the most difficult subject to remember. And I used to study anatomy at least 1 hour every day, because it's very difficult to study anatomy just before the exam. And I also used to study the other subjects like physio, biochem, and dental anat. But yeah, I used to study for at least 1 hour. And daily I was not able to study because there are many curricular activities also
Yeah.
I'm involved in. So, but I used to make sure that I at least study 1 hour every day.
Oh, really? And now, Anupriya, importance of making class note during the physical classes, previous year's question paper analysis, and group study.
Class note is very important. As we all know, course is very vast,
Yeah.
and it's not possible to study every and each topic. So if we make good enough class notes, we at least know which topics are important and at least which topics should be studied just before the day of exam. So class notes are very important. And group studies is also very important. I used to do group studies with my friends. Um, it used to help me a lot, because if I had any confusion, my friends used to clear them out, because every time we cannot ask everything to our teachers,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
every time teachers are not available.
yeah.
And revision is also good when we study in groups, because we used to ask each other questions every frequently. My roommate is Debangana, so I
Hmm.
used to ask her questions, she used to ask me question, and we used to study like that. It's really
Yeah.
beneficial to do.
Now I want to know how Devangana's companion help you.
Devangana is my roommate, and she's also my best friend. Um, we used to study, especially during, because after the lockdown it was very hard to cope up, because during lockdown, honestly, we did not study that much that we used to do during offline classes, because of the entire situation was very bad. But after the lockdown ended and our university exam was just 1 month after that, we studied a lot together, and she helped me a lot, and we used to help each other out. We used to study together all the time. We made a routine, and we used
Hmm.
to study at the evening. We made a routine which subjects we should study. We studied together. We asked each other question. Even in the mess while we were eating, we used to ask each other questions. Yeah, she
Dev-
helped me a lot, and she
Devangana's
also, like,
Devangana's companion helps you a lot.
yeah, she helped me a lot.
Yeah. Now, Anupriya, most of the students like the book Mastering BDS because there are very extracted
Mm.
questions and various topics. Easily, one student can understand, give the exams from this book. What you want to say about the book Mastering BDS?
Master in BDS, if you want to just pass for the exam, Master in BDS is good enough. Although teachers say that there are many false and wrong statements in the Master in BDS, and in Viva, if the teachers ask you, you will get a scolding if you answer from the Master in BDS, because they don't like the statements there. But if you just want to pass and you have no other option, Master in BDS is good enough. But if you want to like top or Master in BDS is not an option. You should study from the proper books guided by the teachers, and you should
Yes.
do whatever the teachers
So
say.
mastering is for just to pass, not for toppers.
Yeah. Mhm.
Now please now please discuss about the secret of your success. People behind your
There is
success.
there is no such big secret of my success. I should say that the determination to do well and believe in yourself, because once we believe in ourselves that we can do well, we definitely can do well. And if we believe that no, we can't, then how hard we try, we cannot do. And the people behind my success is primarily my friends. They helped me a lot whenever I felt homesick or wherever I was sick. They helped me during exam also. And my father is also a doctor, and he helped me a lot. He used to guide me, and he used to tell, he believed in me more than I believed in myself. So he was the pillar of my success. Yeah.
Oh. Now what you wanna be in future after BDS?
I want to do MDS in a good government college, in a good government recognized college. And yeah, I want to do MDS, and then I want to settle in my hometown only, and to open a clinic and
Dream
hopefully become.
dream branch in MDS.
Honestly, first year is too primary stage to tell which branch I should get into, because we are in only first step, and I don't know which subject would interest me in future. So in according to me, I really am enthusiastic towards the branch oral maxillofacial.
Hmm.
So I don't know, maybe that branch or orthodontics, I don't know.
Really tough ones. So is there any backup plans for you?
No, I don't believe in backup plans. I believe in, if you want to achieve your goal, you should not have any backup plans.
Yeah. Fixed target.
Yeah.
Okay. Any dream college you wanna be?
Any government recognized, although my college is also very, very good, and getting MDS in my college would be a great pride for me, but any recognized government college, yeah, I have not thought of the college that much, but any government recognized college,
Yeah, yeah.
I would be grateful. Yeah.
Now, please say what do you think? Who is the best faculty member in your college?
It's very difficult and controversial question to answer
No
that,
controversy.
but
It's your choice.
according to me,
Yeah.
according to me, the teachers in dental colleges are more friendly and more love us more, and like they care for us more, according to me. I don't know, but I really like Lipsa ma'am. I
Lipsa.
really look forward to her class, and I really think that I will able to be like her
Yeah,
someday.
Lipsa ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now your favorite subject in first year
My favorite subject in first year was physiology. I used to love physiology.
and tough.
Tough is anatomy any day. It's very tough to remember, but it's also interesting. But it's very tough.
Okay. Now Anupriya, we are in home. We are very depressed, distracted. Now, can you please say how not to be distracted in this situation, like lockdown, only online theory classes?
Honestly, I am not that knowledgeable or any great person to tell not to get distracted or anything, because I myself get distracted because the situation is like this.
Yeah.
Everything is getting worse and worse in our country.
Yeah.
So I don't have any formula to not get distracted, but I hope that I don't get distracted, especially during my internals, because internals are very essential in the college life, and mobile phones and social media will anyhow distract you, but it's upon you. You
Yeah.
have to be determined enough to not get distracted. But anyways, everyone gets distracted only.
Hmm. Can you please give some advice for your juniors, future dentist, for making a mindset for first year internal exams as well as university exams, as well as how they can make prepare themselves for theory written exam and also in viva exam?
First of all, internals, although many people think that internals are not that important because a less amount of mark is included, but it is very important because if you study hard enough in your internals, you will not face difficulty during your university exams. So it is very, very essential to complete the amount of course before the internals so that you don't face difficulty. And the theory exam, according to me, theory exams are easier than viva, because if you have clear theory you can easily get along the viva. And in viva also, too much difficult questions they don't ask. They ask simple and basic questions. If you can answer that, then only they go to the difficult stage. So if you have clear theory, if you are clear about the theory, and if your knowledge is proper, I think you are good to go.
What is tough? What do you think? A theory exam or the viva during external and internal are present in the viva hall?
Of course, viva, because it's very nerve wracking, and you get very nervous during viva because externals are sitting there and your impression matters. And you tend to get stammered, and you stammer a lot. I have stammered a lot, so it's very difficult in viva because it's face to face, and
Yeah.
theory you have to write in the paper.
Yeah. Now, Anupriya, please reflect some lights on other curricular activities. How much should we involve in other curricular activities during our professional course?
See, according to me, you only live once, and we are studying in college, and it's the last phase of our student life. Then we will get jobs and open our own clinics and do whatever, but it's the last phase of our student life. So I should think that you should enjoy, but to an extent. It should not hamper your studies. I have also invested time in other curricular activities like cricket and sports and other cultural events, and it's very essential because it boosts your confidence, and
Confidence.
it makes you more confident, and yeah, it makes you happy.
Yeah, happy. Feeling free.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, please discuss how much should we involve in social media activity? And there are various groups in our KIT university. Should we join various types of groups? Involve yourself. What do you think about this?
I guess involving yourself is good for mental health also, because if you only study and it's not good for mental health. For our mental health, we should engage ourselves in different activities. We should make different friends, and through different activities. So to an extent, it is good. We should not overdo anything. Overdoing anything is bad. So to an extent, yeah, we should indulge in whatever we like, whatever our passion is or hobby is.
Yeah. Now, Anupriya, there are two types of work, like hard work and smart work in our professional course. Hard work anyone can try, but there are some tricks for smart work. What do you want to say about this smart work?
See, in our profession, everyone does hard work, everyone. But whoever does smart work, he succeeds. It's
Yeah.
the fact.
Yeah.
You have to do smart work. So smart work is that you cannot study line by line. If you are studying from a book, you cannot study line by line. You have to understand what is essential and what is not.
Yeah.
And the teachers are enough kind to guide you throughout your way, and they will guide you, but you have to be smart enough to know what you will require and what you will not.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Now, Anupriya, the last question: advice to juniors, future dentists, that you will follow this path, follow this rate, and you can be a topper also in your college.
According to me, just follow your heart, do whatever your heart says, and indulge in various activities. I won't say don't do that, but to an extent, um, and be determined what your goal is. If you know what your goal is, you will achieve your goal definitely. And be happy.
Yeah, we have.
Just be happy. Whatever you get.
Okay, Anupriya, all the questions are complete. Thank you for giving your valuable time and making this meeting a valuable one. And congrats
Thank
you
you
once
for
again.
inviting me.
Yeah, it's our privilege, my privilege. So hope we'll be meet in our college very soon after
Yeah,
lockdown.
hopefully.
And stay healthy, stay fit, be connected.
Yeah, same to you. Stay fit, stay healthy.
Okay, Anupriya, goodbye. See you again. Bye.
Bye. Bye.